tricky. And look at these word choices. I like how we can use them, like fun. They're bouncing, smiling. She's sparkly. She's glowing. Glowing smile, and she's a genius. She's just amazing, spectacular, right? So that's it. Now, we can also use she and her to describe somebody, or he and him, right? Those are just some pronouns, so you don't have to keep saying her name. You don't have to keep saying Millie, 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 but she and her. Not like that. They use something different. They try to attract your attention, to grab your attention by talking about something exciting about Raymond. Well, did you know Raymond was a big-time drummer? He was pretty popular. He was like one of the best drummers in our neighborhood. So he's part of the gnarly trees band. Okay, so again, exciting, interesting to read. You make a connection. Find something that everybody, a general point, everybody likes. Right? So everybody dreams about this. Everybody wants to be rich and famous. But sometimes it takes a lot of hard work